Dumelang Batswana ko lapeng. My name is Thuto Moitlobu. I love acting so much. Why do I love acting? I love acting because I have this fantasy world living in my head that I want to go to New York and win a Grammy so that I can make my country proud. Please vote me at www.gembo.com. My name is Thuto Moitlobu, signing out. Babe, I need to tell you something very important. Just listen to me. Just lend me your ears. The first time we met was incredible. I loved you so much that I couldn't resist your face. Your little dimples made me go crazy. Your eyes were like the sun. I couldn't forget you, and I couldn't just let you go. Your beautifulness was shining. I couldn't just resist you. We've been together, and I don't want to break anything. I believe that you love me, and I love you so much. I have something very bad to tell you. When I was in South Africa, when I went to study, I did something bad. I broke our marriage vows. What? What did you do? I cheated on you, but can you please forgive me? No, I gave everything to you. For 4 years. Please, just listen to me. Just listen. No, I won't listen. I gave everything to you. I gave everything. I made a vow to you, for God's sake. Please, listen to me. No. No. I gave you 3 chances. You wasted them. I'll never forgive you, please. I'm bound to my knees. And I may should be positive. What? No. No. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you. I love you so much.